Welcome! Today, you'll learn exactly how to send an emoji to someone in Discord Mobile. It's a quick and fun way to make your conversations more expressive, and by the end of this video, you'll be sending emojis like a pro. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your recent servers and direct messages. Next, tap on Messages at the bottom or go straight to the Direct Messages section. This is where all your private chats are stored. It's the quickest way to connect with your friends one-on-one. Now open the chat of the person you want to send an emoji to. Just tap on their username, and your conversation screen will appear. You'll see the message bar at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. To send an emoji, look for the smiley face icon right next to the message box. Tap on it. This will open your emoji keyboard filled with tons of fun icons to express any feeling. Scroll through to find the emoji that matches your mood. Whether you want to laugh, celebrate, or even react sarcastically, there's an emoji for everything. Once you've found the one you like, simply tap on it to add it to your message. After that, just hit send and your emoji will instantly appear in the chat. That's it. Quick, simple, and perfect for keeping your Discord conversations lively and expressive.